Hello, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to do a vegetable stock from scratch. Yes, you heard it. Why is it good? Well, vegetable stock is what you're gonna get in many recipes, right? When you're making chicken or fish or soups, all of the soup. So when a recipe is asking for stock, most people go to the bouillon bottles or the mahi tablets, but don't do that. You can do it yourself from scratch. With Thermomix, you have a recipe and it's really fast and easy. These are the ingredients. We're just gonna go boom, and then it's gonna cook for 20 minutes and that's it. It's gonna be done. And you're gonna see my special way of saving it in the fridge and the freezer. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to my week, and I already have what I wanna make today. So this is the vegetable stock that I had it ready. And let's click start now. 200 grams of celery stalks. I think I'm more or less around that 200. Then here, 2 carrots. So it was just 2 carrots, I don't have to weigh it. Now 1 brown onion cut into halves. See, I'm not crying. Look at how I throw an onion. Ta-da! Just in half. Fresh tomato, also in half. There we go. 1 zucchini cut in pieces. Here we go as well. 2 garlic cloves. Okay, 1 and 2. And a dry bay leaf. This is optional, but I'll do it. Basil and sage. And here we have rosemary. Let me just drop this here. And we have parsley. Now, when we're doing Thermomix recipes, when I'm saying all the ingredients, you don't have to memorize them. You know, when people tell me, oh yeah, my recipe has this and this and that, they lose me. I'm already, like, I don't want to hear it because I'm not going to remember. So with Thermomix, I love it because I know that if you tell me this is the recipe I made, all I need is the title or a link, right? And that's it. So what's next? And all right, we're gonna cover it. Oh, that's gonna be later. So we're going to cover this and here we go. So we're scraping down everything because we need to have all the goodies on the bottom okay, so now we're gonna continue. It wants 150 grams of rock salt, 1 TSP of olive oil. Okay, I forgot my TSP, so I'm gonna go with my eye. And that's it. It wants me to place the simmering basket. What I'm gonna do is just leave a little space here for this to breathe, and I'll get the basket while we're cooking, okay? So, 20 minutes, 120 Celsius. You have recipes in Celsius, you have them in Fahrenheit. This one happens to be in Celsius, okay? And speed 1. Speed 1 is kind of like a spoon. It's just gonna go like this and just moving it so it doesn't burn. But I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna go and do stuff. I have a lot of things to do. 20 minutes, and then when it calls me, I'll be back and I'll see you here, okay? Okay, I'm back. Are you back? Okay, perfect. Let's see what we have. Okay, so now it wants us to insert the measuring cup. Let me just put this one instead, right here. And we're going to go 1 minute, and then turn speed selector to speed 5, then increase speed gradually to speed 9. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 first, right here. And now I have a whole minute to get to 9. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, every 10 seconds I'm gonna do something, okay? So, oh my goodness, blast off. And voila. Alrighty, so now we have stock paste right here that we can add to our recipes. It is much more healthy. You don't have preservatives like in the bouillon or in the mahi tablets. You can make it on demand, and it gives it so much more taste. By the way, Gosha, this one is for you, this recipe here. Do you know this trick? Let me show you. This is really cool. I learned it recently, actually. All right, so you use the lid, and that way nothing's gonna fall outside. So I'm going to fill this jar with some stock paste. We are going to get this. Everyone is asking me where I bought them. I bought them in Amazon. There's a lot of them. So you can just look for, the ice cube tray and just say that, with the lid, and you'll have it here. So don't look, because I'm a little messy. Again, the dummy cook always at work. Actually, today I'm not doing bad at all. Oh, this one's gonna go to the freezer, the other one to the fridge. So So I will use that one first, and then I will be using this one. What do you think? Ta-da! Vegetable stock paste. Really healthy, really good. If you like this video, please, not if, just like the video, okay? So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please email me right here. I'll be in contact with you right away. And if you need a Thermomix in your life, please call your consultant, me, or one that you can get from the website. Buy from a consultant, ask me any questions, I can help you with that. Let's do this. Bye.